Hey everyone, it's Janelle from Yarn Necklaces, and I'm so happy to announce that Christmas in July Fairies is back. And if you don't know what Christmas in July Fairies is, it's a collaboration of YouTubers who are going to do one semi-finalist giveaway and one grand prize giveaway. It was started last year by Dana at Dana's Wonderlust Crochet. Here's how it works. Any channel that wants to participate will make a video and put hashtag Christmas in July Fairies 2021. And anyone who wants to be entered into that giveaway will leave a comment in their video. And on July 15th, each channel owner will draw a name from all the comments that are on that video, and that'll be the semi-finalist winner. So depending on the channel, the winner of the semi-finalist drawing may receive a prize from that channel owner. But what for sure will happen is they will send out that name to Dana at Dana's Wonderlust Crochet, and that person will be entered into the grand prize drawing, which will happen on July 25th. And she will enter in all the names from all the channels that won the semi-finalist drawing, and one name will be drawn from that one, and that person will receive a gift from every channel that has entered into the Christmas in July Fairies. So last year it was over 100 fairies, I think it was around maybe 130 that were actually participating in the collaboration. So this year I expect it to be even bigger. So they're making a playlist of all the channels that are involved in the collaboration, and I'll leave a link in the description below on that so you can get to that playlist so you can enter into every single channel. Also, if you're a channel that's interested in becoming a fairy, I'll leave a link to Dana's video on how to do that. I'll have all the giveaway rules in the description below, but the first thing you need to do if you want to be entered is to leave a comment on this video. And since this was started in the crochet community, last year I asked you to leave a comment on whether you would want yarn or handmade jewelry, since I know not everyone is a crocheter. So this year I want you to do the same thing. Let me know if you are the winner, would you rather have yarn or handmade jewelry? And then I know what to send you if you are the winner. Also, the drawing for the semi-finalists will happen on July 15th, and I'll probably do it sometime in the morning or early afternoon. So to be sure you're entered into the actual drawing, make sure you get your comment in by July 14th, because I think a few people had actually left a comment after I already did the drawing, so they weren't able to be entered. So make sure you get it in by July 14th. And then the grand prize drawing will take place on July 25th. So if you are the winner, you definitely want to pay attention to that. That'll happen on Dana's Wonderlust Crochets channel. So good luck to everyone, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.